If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says the path is too long, don't worry. This usually means the full file location has become too deep. That includes your OneDrive folder name, every subfolder inside it, and the file name itself. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix it quickly without getting lost in settings or wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest solution first. Shorten the file name. Open the affected OneDrive folder in File Explorer and find the file that's causing the problem. Right-click the file, choose Rename, and then give it a shorter name. Even trimming just a few extra words can make a big difference. After renaming it, press Enter and wait a moment for OneDrive to sync the change. If that doesn't fully solve it, the next thing to try is moving the file closer to the main OneDrive folder. The deeper the folder is nested, the longer the path becomes. So open the folder that contains the file, select it, and move it to a folder that is closer to the root of OneDrive. For example, instead of keeping it buried in several layers of subfolders, place it in a simpler, higher-level folder. Once again, wait for OneDrive to sync, and then check whether the error is gone. Another effective fix is moving the file outside of OneDrive entirely. If the file does not need to stay synced in the cloud, open the OneDrive folder, select the file causing the issue, and move it to a regular folder on your PC, like Documents, Downloads, or any other folder that is not inside OneDrive. This instantly reduces the path length and often removes the error right away. The reason these fixes work is simple. Windows has a limit on how long a file path can be, and when OneDrive adds its own folder structure on top of everything else, it can push that path over the limit. So by shortening the file name, reducing the folder depth, or moving the file out of OneDrive, you're cutting the path down to a manageable size. If you have a lot of files with this issue, start with the ones that have the longest names or the deepest folder structure. Those are usually the first ones to trigger the error. And if you're organizing files for work, school, or a shared team folder, it's a good idea to use shorter folder names going forward, so the problem doesn't keep coming back. If one method doesn't work, move on to the next. In many cases, just renaming the file is enough. In other cases, you may need to simplify the folder structure or move the file somewhere else on your computer. The goal is to make the overall path shorter so OneDrive can handle it normally. And that's how to fix the OneDrive path too long error using a few quick and practical steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.